How to buy EKTA travel insurance and save money. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can get the EKTA travel insurance. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, what we're going to do is we're going to come over here onto ektatraveling.com, and here you want to go ahead and click on the buy button. All right, now you can also click the link in the description below. It'll also give you a bunch of discount so that you can save a lot of money. Right, so if you click on the buy button, it's going to take you down over here, and here you can also see some of the plans that we have. So we have around starter, gold, and max as well. So if you scroll down below, you can see country, travel, personal information, and here you can select the plans over here, and you can add the departure and arrival dates, and also here you can see some more options. So if you go with the starter plan, you'll get 50,000 USD worldwide coverage. You've got 16 options available. So here you've got medical care, medical transport service, COVID, alcohol, and ritual expenses, and type of recreation, right? Then you have gold, which is around 150,000, and this one has 22 options. So again, very similar to this one, but also rest of the water as well. I don't know what that means. So swimming in the pool, sea extractor. So that's also pretty cool. So you can select whichever one you want. We also have the max one, which has all of the 56 option, 500, all of the other options. And this one is going to cost you $500,000. Select whichever option you want, right? Departure, arrival. So let's go with start. Keep over here. If you have any promo codes, which you can find in the description below, select that and then accept this, and here you've got the date and dates and days. I don't think you can change that, so then you click on next. Here you fill out your personal information, and then we have information verification. You have to verify it, and then you are good to go. So it's going to cost you over here, so you can see right here, this is the cost, and then you can add tourist. So make sure you fill everything out and you should be good to go. And after that, you will have verify it, and once you verified it, send you some emails. That's how you can get the verification code. And also, as I said before, if you click on the link in the description below, you get it more benefits and more discount as well. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.